Please stand. Garfield Wildcats. My name is Zoe. Please join us in this salute to the American flag. Attention to the pledge.
Good morning. My name is Landon. Please join us in the salute to the Oklahoma State flag. Attention, salute, pledge.
Good morning. My name is Oliver. Please join us in the national anthem. Good morning. My name is Bryce, and please join us in reciting the Wildcat Array. Ready, begin. Good morning. My name is Ava. Please recite the school motto. Say it with pride because we are proud to be a Garfield Wildcat. Ready, begin.
Please be seated. Hello, my name is Brooklyn. Are there any birthdays for today? February 21st. Or over the weekend. Her name is Ava. She's turning 10. His name's Dexter. He's turning 8. Birthday rap.
Hello, my name is Briley. Are there any announcements?
Alright, we'll go ahead and do our showcase
There's my classical moment.
Our group researched state facts. Here it is what we found. Oklahoma has a state song, it's Oklahoma, and it was written by Rogers and Hammerstein. The song was adopted in 1935.
Our state rock is the Rose Rock. It can be found in the Wichita Mountains of the Southwest. It was made the official rock of Oklahoma. In 1968, there is even an old Cherokee legend about the rock and the Trail of the Tears in the 1800s. Oklahoma's state flower is a rose. The Rose Rock was designated the official state flower of Oklahoma in 2004. The Rose Rock stands out because of its fragrant beauty.
The state bird is the scissor-tail flycatcher. It became the official state bird in 1951. The Skydance Bridge in Oklahoma City was inspired by the state bird.
Our group researched biomes and regions. Here are what we found.
A biome is a sustainable environment that is home to living things that are suited for that place and climate.
What does region mean? Region means an area distinguished by a unique combination of trends or features. Oklahoma is part of the Southwest region. Oklahoma's biomes are the prairie, grassland, mixed grass prairie, tallgrass prairie, and Ponca's biome is grassland. There are also other biomes, as California's biome is the temperate coniferous forest, and Alaska's biome is the Arctic tundra.
Southwest region is also home to Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas.
Our group was researching climate and vegetation. Climate means the temperature of a place. Vegetation means all the plants or plant life of a place taken as a whole.
The climate of Oklahoma. The average temperature of Oklahoma City is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun shines about 70% of the time. We have consistent winds that help with hotter weather. We have an active severe weather season from March to June. We are known as the Tornado Alley.
Vegetation of Oklahoma. The state range of vegetation includes approximately 2,500 plant species, grass, sunflower, and legume families, for example.
Our group researched the economy of Oklahoma. Here is what we found. the wealth and resources of a country or region, especially in terms of the production or consumption of the goods and services.
The economy of Oklahoma is the 29th largest in the United States. Oklahoma gross produce GSP is approximately $902 billion of December 28th.
Here are some of the examples of our economy's resources: cattle, lumber, pecans, hay, pottery, pigs, cotton, oil, and coal. And the resources help us because we can get money by selling them or trading them with other people. The U.S. is on the verge of its longest economic expansion on record, but the U.S. also just hit a record 13 straight years without 3% real growth.
Our group research is how Oklahoma has changed in the last 100 years. The roads changed by dirt to highways.
Oklahoma changed 100 years ago by when the girls stopped wearing just dresses and changed to wearing leggings and jeans.
In 1918, the Marlin Oil Company was made, and then it was converted to Phillips 66.
In 1920, the percent of farmland on Oklahoma was 80% and still to now is 80%. The money earned per acre is $3,160. It used to be $60 per acre.
Hello, my name is Charlie. Please join us for the moment of silence. This is your time to pray or just listen. Thank you for participating in this morning's assembly. We will hope you have a great day. Please watch your teacher for dismissal.